Oh, my garage is a tad bit cold right now. It's like 70 degrees, 30 degrees, 70 degrees, 30 degrees, 70 degrees, 30 degrees. Hello, everyone. It is Heath, Groovy Goat Hunter. Welcome to my garage. It is pay dirt review time. However, it's going to be a little catch. I'm not going to tell you who it is. You have to figure it out yourself. We will get to that right after the intro. Mystery pay dirt time. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yes, it is that time again to do a mystery pay dirt. I've done one before. I thought, why not do it again? Trying to mix things up just a tad. I don't know how mixed up that is. I'm still doing a pay dirt review and it's still going to be the same thing that I always do. But this time I want you guys to guess who it is. Ha 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 ha. The first thing I will tell you about this pay dirt, it is a 1 gram guaranteed bag. That's all I can tell you about it. I will give you hints though. I'm going to show you some pay dirt bags that it could possibly be to help you try to figure out who this pay dirt is coming from. Is it from Bill's Trash and Treasures? I've done them before, could be them. Could it be Northern Nevada Gold? Done them before too, could be them. What about Vendetta Prospecting? I just did them. But did I buy 2 bags? Or maybe Pioneer Pay Dirt. Pioneer Polly, could be him. Or even Indiana Pay Dirt. I've done them a couple times. Or it could be Gold Valley Motherlode with the 1 gram guarantee. I did say it was 1 gram. Could be them. Or it could be this gold bag right here. You know it's Gold Bay. If it's a gold bag and it doesn't have a thing on it, it's pretty much Gold Bay. Or could it be the Gold Baron Pay Dirt? I like his pay dirt. Or it could be Great Lakes Concentrates. Could it be Mr. James Culver? And I sent him a message and I said, hey man, send me a bag of pay dirt please, because I missed your pay dirt. I haven't seen it in a while. He said, I'm going to send you one, but I only got 1 gram. Could be his. Or could it be the OG of pay dirts, Mr. GoldNuggetSells.com? Or is it an oldie but a goodie that's come back with a little bit of pay dirt? Irwin's pay dirt could be his. Or could it be Mantis? Or could it be Brad's Bucket? Or could it be Yukon Alley? Yukon Alley's a hard one to get because I never see it. Could she have sent me one? It's not her. She didn't send me one. So there's your hints. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. We're going to review this pay dirt. It is a 1 gram guarantee. I'm going to show you the dirt. I'm going to classify it. We'll pan it. Do the same thing I always do. But you get to guess who it is. Let's test your knowledge of pay dirt on this review. So let's take a look at it right now. Okay. There is the pay dirt. It's got some quartz in it. It's got some dirt in it. It's got some rocks in it. And it's not a whole lot. Maybe about 1 pound. I don't have my scale in here, but it feels like around 1 pound. I'm going to classify it like I always do. We'll start with the 4 mesh and just work our way down until I don't think I need to classify it anymore. So let me get my classifiers and we'll get right on that. Here comes the pay dirt. This is the 4 mesh or the 1/4 inch mesh classifier. And in it goes. It is very dry. Give it a nice quick shake. Oh, I love that sound. And there it is. Notice something in there. There is some super white quartz. You know how I love quartz. So cool. There's the 4 mesh. I'm going to fast forward the rest. When I'm done, we will take a look at each classification. So let's go fast.
Dude, I said fast.
All right, we are done with the classifying. Let's take a look at it right now. And there it is. We have 6 classifications, starting with the 4 mesh or the 1/4 inch, followed by the 10 mesh, the 20 mesh, the 40 mesh, the 60 mesh, and all of that is minus 60. Am I going to start with that first? Yes, I am. Why? Because there's not going to be any gold in the 4 mesh and up, because it's only 1 gram guarantee, but I will get those pieces of quartz out, and then we'll start with the smallest and work our way up to 10 mesh, because you know how I like to end on gold. I hate having my last classification be a blank. All right, so before we get started on the panning process, this is all the magnetics that I just pulled out. Those magnetics did come out of every single classification. Most of them are hot rocks. Didn't see any magnetite. Welcome to day 2 of my panning the mystery pay dirt. Yeah, I got started again late. I got in the garage a little bit early tonight. It's actually only like 9:15 at night, so
Look at me.
let's get over here and start panning. And here we are. We're going to do the 4 mesh first because there's not going to be any gold in here. So I'm going to dump that whole thing. We'll get it wet, and then we'll pick out that quartz that's in there. And I'm starting a whole new year of filling up a quartz bowl. Last year was a little bit low. Didn't have a whole lot of quartz. So yeah, you see those super white pieces of quartz. Pretty decent sized chunks too. Look at that. That's actually got sulfides in it. It's got like a little silver streak. That could possibly have something in there. But I mean, those things are snow white. I think that's all of it. Yep, we're good. All right. Let's pan this real fast, and then we'll move on to the -60. And no gold. Moving on. And here is the -60. I could probably do this in one. Well, let's just go ahead. It's really not a whole lot. And most of that will dissolve. So I really stratified the crap out of this because I wanted to get as much dirt / mud out as I could because I don't want it to dirty my super clean water. So let's see if we got anything in this -60. That is good enough. Let's tap it back. And we got nothing. So we are done with that -60. Let's go to the +60 -40. Same thing. There's not a lot in there whatsoever. I'm going to stratify it, and then we'll pan it when I'm done. We are now ready to pan. So let's get to it. Good enough. Another quick tap, and we are 0 for 3. So no gold on the -40 +60. So now we're going to the +40 -20. Be right back. And there it is, the +40 -20. I've already stratified, so let's get to panning. So far we got goose egg. Tap it back, and we still don't have a piece of gold. Uh-oh, did this mystery pay dirt forget to actually put gold in the pay dirt? I mean, surely I'm not gonna have 2 pay dirts in 1 week that has 0 gold. I'm getting a little concerned. We still have 2 more though. I'm not giving up yet. So we are now on the 20 mesh, and again, not a whole lot. So I'm just dumping it all in there, and we're going to stratify, and I'm going to yap while I stratify. So I'm not really getting the new year off to a very good start when it comes to pay dirts. I mean, wow. The first one that I did for the new year was an eBay one, and it had no freaking gold in it. Not a single piece. That is the first time ever that I had received a bag of pay dirt that didn't have a single speck of gold in it. A groovy gold hunter first? And it's on me because it didn't guarantee gold. It basically said there was gold in there, but it didn't guarantee gold. Didn't guarantee a specific amount and or gold at all. So when you do buy pay dirts, folks, make sure if you really do want to get gold, I do it to review them and to see if they're going to be a ripoff or if they're a good company. If you're looking for pay dirt and you're looking for pay dirt that gives you gold, get a guaranteed bag. Spend the extra money to get a guaranteed whatever. Even if it's a 1/4 gram, 1/2 gram, you at least know you're going to get that. that. But I do this for you guys because I want to make sure that if you are looking to buy pay dirts, you can look up my reviews. I can give you my opinion of them. I don't make any money from any of these pay dirt companies. I just buy them myself, pan them out, see how much gold's in them. Some of them are great. Most of them are great. But some of them are ripoffs. You just got to be wary of them. Still haven't seen any gold. Wait, oh, I hear something. Yeah, we finally got us a little bit of gold. I'll tap it back, and we did get 2 pieces of gold in the 20 mesh. I'll get a phone shot of those, but there they are. 2 pieces of gold. We got one more classification left, and we are done. We are down to one more. This is everything 10 mesh. I'm going to do this one in 2. It's plus 10 minus 1/4 inch. I'm going to clean this up real quick, then I'm going to pick out some quartz that I see in that 10 mesh. Alright, I think I got all of my quartz out. Now let's pan it. I think that's good enough. Let's tap this back. And yes, sir, we got a piece of gold. And it is definitely a picker. That's a nice little piece of gold right there. I will get a phone shot of that, and then we will do the rest of the 10, and we're done. So there it is. That is every bit of the pay dirt that is left over. So far, we've got 3 pieces of gold. Now, 2 of them are pickers. 1 of them is not, but it's a decent sized flake. It's 20 mesh. We've had no flour gold whatsoever. So I'm going to do the same thing, get all my quartz out, and then when I get all that out, we'll pan it. All right, that's good enough. I'm sitting there picking out super tiny pieces of quartz. Come on, jackpot. Oh, yes, sir. Let's pan this back. Big old heavy pieces of gold. Look at that. Wow. Wow, 4 pieces and very nice piece right there. Golly, that's a huge piece. 4 chunkers. That is just fantastic. Kick ass. How's that? That is freaking awesome. That is beautiful gold. Let's take a look at that with the phone and then we are done. Yes, sir. Let's look at this. This is some pretty stuff right here. It's 1 time. Let's go 3 times. Pow. Now let's go 10 times. Oh, look at that. Yes, sir, we are done. I've already got it out. The 1 nugget, and I'm calling it a nugget for one reason. It did not fit in my snuffer bottle. Anything that does not fit in my snuffer bottle, I just automatically call it a nugget. So we got 1 nugget out of that bunch. All pickers except for 1. 7 total pieces. There was no flour gold. There was no small flakes. I like to have those too, but I love when I get pay dirts and they're just big fat pieces of gold. Yeah. Very happy with that. Don't even need to clean it. I mean, there was just big chunks of gold. All I got to do is let it dry, and then we'll take it upstairs. I will get a better look at it with the phone, all nice and grouped up together like a little happy family or one big golden happy family, and then we will get a value. And we are back in gold weighing headquarters, and it's time to look at it one more time, and then we will weigh it. So let's take a quick look. Okie dokie, let's get a weigh in on this stuff. So before I weigh all of it, I want to pull out the big nug and see how much it weighs. Ooh, 0.437, so almost a half a gram. Now let's add the rest. 1.007. So we got our gram, but 7/1000ths of a gram over. Let's get on the Go calculator and let's get a value and an ROI. And we are on the Go calculator. We're going to put it in 1.007 grams of gold. We will call it 24 karat natural placer gold. Gold prices. Today's January the 4th, 4,332.19. We will calculate 140.26. So we're going to go to the percentage calculator, put that in. 140.26. I paid grand total $170.11. It was $150 for just the pay dirt, and then with shipping and tax it was $20.11. We'll calculate that. 82.4%. Not bad. So a good return. Not the greatest that I've had, but you know what? After the first two pay dirts that I've done at the beginning of the year, it's a fantastic return. But as far as the gold itself, I got a big nugget that actually raises the value a little bit. 80+%, still great return. Now, I'm not going to tell you who this is from. I want you guys to leave it in the comments. Let me know who you think this pay dirt is. I want to see who knows their pay dirt and who thinks they know their pay dirt. I don't know. Just put it in the comments. Let me know what you think it is. I gave you the options earlier. I gave you a bunch of pay dirt bags. One of them is the pay dirt, and the winner gets absolutely nothing. But we're just doing this for fun. Let me know what you think it is, and a few days afterwards I will let you guys know exactly who it is. And as far as the pay dirt, it was very quick, very easy. Nice big size pieces of gold, and I got my 1 gram, so you can't complain about that. That does it for this pay dirt review of... Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, the like button, the share button, the notification bells, those 4 magical buttons I always ask you guys to hit. It costs you absolutely nothing, and it absolutely helps my channel, and I need all the help I can get. I really would appreciate it if you guys would hit those buttons. And if you have already, I really appreciate it. I will see you on my next review. Until then, peace and love.